So Module 2 is all about positive thinking. We know that maintaining that positive thinking is not always an easy thing to do, but part of your role as a lifestyle consultant is to help your clients do that. Of course, it's not as easy as being able to flick a switch on, but they all have developed a positive attitude in life once they can do that, and everyone around them will then see their enhanced energy, happiness emanating from them, and a brightness in their eyes. A positive attitude benefits health and well-being, and your clients start to walk more positively, their body language improves, and they sound and feel more positive. So as we project that positive attitude, we affect all of those around us in a good way. And it happens on an instinctive and subconscious level. The sense of positivity is gleaned through words, thoughts, and feelings, and it's all absorbed through body language. We're naturally drawn to other people, and it makes sense that we would wish to avoid those who are negative in their outlook. Now, it's good to note that some clients may need therapeutic assistance if they have a severe issue. But for milder issues, maybe low confidence or self-esteem, you'll be able to help them understand their value here. Now, there's a couple of tasks that we're giving you in Module 2, which is within the training manual, so make sure that you have that. Now, the first task is to get your client to visualize a situation that makes them happy. It's a situation that maybe is highly beneficial or maybe just a favorite place of theirs. They might struggle to do this initially, but persevere with them. So some clients find it very difficult to visualize and gain the benefits, and you might want to talk them through a guided visualization, maybe a beautiful scenic place which will give them the idea of what they want to do. So we're often unaware of how positive or negative we are. When it comes to our thought process, you might find that you have an inner dialogue which is prominently negative. So you want to, for the first task, get them to visualize a situation that makes them happy. For the second task, you're going to get your client to, over a 24-hour period, monitor your thought processes, their thought process, and see how many times negativity enters their mind. When that happens, they're going to write those thoughts down, so they have an idea of how many negative thoughts are present, trying to control them and then replace them with thoughts that are more constructive. If you're a visual person, if your client's visual, ask them to picture those thoughts as if it's two pictures that are materializing in front of them. They have to choose one and then disregard the other. So, if there's any resistance there to change, you want to discuss that with your clients. It's important that they allow themselves to feel their emotions that may come along with these negative thoughts. And if they struggle to do that, it's just an instinctive way for them to protect themselves. So, we're also looking at affirmations as well. So for clients who are suffering from a lack of confidence or belief, an affirmation can work really well. They're simple and easy to use, and positive statements have a specific outcome or goal and are repeated often until they make an impression on the subconscious mind. So we've got a task here with affirmations. So the task is that they ask themselves to note any negative thoughts or comments and turn them around so that they have a more positive influence. For example, the negative thought could be, I cannot do this. The positive thought that when they turn it around is, I can do it, I need to steady my nerve and believe in myself. So you're putting a positive spin on it. Now, we've included some affirmation tips within this module that you can give to your client. So make sure that you're really referencing back to the training manual. We've got 5 self-assessment tasks at the end of Module 2, so take your time over those. Once you've done that, I'll see you on Module 3. Have a great day.